How to use being in English. Easy guide for beginners. Simple explanation with examples. Uses of being plus example sentences. It is used in several ways in English. Being plus adjective, to describe behavior or temporary state. Used to show temporary behavior, not a permanent characteristic. Examples. Stop being noisy. She is being silly today. He is being rude to everyone. You are being very patient with the kids. Being used after prepositions. Being often comes after for, without, by, after, before, etc. Examples. Thank you for being helpful. He left without being noticed. She apologized for being late. The kids laughed after being surprised. Being used in passive voice. Continuous or gerund passive. Used when something is happening to someone. Examples. The house is being cleaned right now. Lunch is being prepared by the chef. A new bridge is being built in the city. My car is being repaired. Being plus noun. To talk about roles or identity. The way someone is behaving right now. Examples. She loves being a teacher. He enjoys being a parent. They talked about being friends again. Being used to explain reasons or conditions. Often used to explain why something is the way it is. Examples. Being tired, I decided to sleep early. Being a rainy day, we stayed home. Being new to the job, she asked many questions. Being in reduced relative clauses. Sometimes being is optional but used in formal English. Examples. Anyone being late will not enter the class. The people being interviewed are waiting outside. Quick summary. Use of being. Examples. Temporary behavior. She is being loud. After prepositions. Thanks for being honest. Passive voice. The food is being cooked. Roles/identity. He likes being a doctor. Reason/condition. Being sick, he stayed home. Reduced relative clause. People being helped are inside. 20 more example sentences with being. 1. She is being very helpful today. 2. He was being rude for no reason. 3. You're being too hard on yourself. 4. Thank you for being patient with me. 5. The kids are being noisy in the living room. 6. I love being around positive people. 7. The dog is being trained to follow commands. 8. She enjoys being the center of attention. 9. He apologized for being late again. 10. The weather is being unpredictable this week. 11. Stop being silly and focus. 12. She hates being ignored. 13. Being kind doesn't cost anything. 14. I appreciate you for being honest. 15. He was being followed, but he didn't know. 16. I miss being a kid. 17. Being early is better than being late. 18. The baby is being very calm today. 19. They are being interviewed for the job. 20. She's tired of being blamed for everything. Worksheet style exercise. Using being. A. Fill in the blanks with being. I love being a parent. Thank you for being helpful. He apologized for being late. She is being very quiet today. The dog is being trained at the moment. Rewrite the sentences using being. She is rude today. She is being rude today. He is very patient with me. He is being very patient with me. I am late again. I am being late again. They are interviewed right now. They are being interviewed right now. You are silly. You are being silly.